So my name's Ashley. I'm here with the International Federation of Liberal Youth. Here we have Philo Morris from the Medical Mission Sisters International, and she's going to give us a brief clip as to what the organization does and what they hope to achieve here.
Okay, my organization is following up Commission on Sustainable Development from Rio onwards. That's 1992 in the Earth Summit. We were very much part of it, and since then we had attended all the CSDs up until now. And we have, as an organization, we have endorsed the Earth Charter, and one of the primary focus of my organization is environment besides health and culture of peace. And we feel that we are for health, healing and wholeness. So healing of humanity and healing of planet Earth is very, very important. But we have also realized that the system that governs our world is also sick. And that is why we are focusing also on the economic and development agenda at the United Nations. And for that we are following up financing for development, which covers a lot of the systemic issues. And climate change is one of our major focus as well, because it is going to undo all that is achieved by the poor countries thus far. It will wipe out everything, and also they are paying a heavy price for something which they have not done. They have not contributed to anything to the greenhouse gas emissions. However, it is a developed world who followed a model of economic development for 200 years and who have emitted all these gases, and now the price is being paid by vulnerable nations. And we particularly want to focus on adaptation and mitigation funding. The richer countries should put aside adequate funds so that the poor countries is not falling into the ocean and dying out. And especially their freshwater sources are all polluted because they're all getting salinated. So we are really wiping out the poor nations from the planet Earth. So that's why I'm here.
Fantastic. So do you believe that there will be a climate deal by Friday here in Copenhagen?
We really hope, because we are very optimistic. We feel that our governments can come around, and we have seen a lot of negotiations. They do horse trading and they go on till the last minute, and sometimes, and even in Doha this happened, at the 11th hour things do turn around. So we keep our hope alive and that things will turn around. But if they don't, but still we feel this will be a great success, because I have attended, this is my major world conference, the 5th major one, and I have not seen this many people. It's like oceans of people moving in. So it is a raising of awareness and consciousness. Ultimately, it is the people who elect their governments. If this government doesn't act, their days will be numbered as well.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very, very much for your time.